Welcome to my channel Ria Study Circle. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 12 factorization. In last video I explained first bit how to divide a monomial by another monomial in exercise 12.3. So today I am going to explain about second bit, that means how to divide a polynomial by given monomial. Second bit in exercise 12.3. Let's see how to divide a polynomial by monomial. So first problem is 3x square minus 2x divided by x. Solution for this problem is 3x square minus 2x by x. So here in the numerator we have x common in both terms, so we can take x common from these two terms, then we get 3x minus 2 divided by x. So here x and x common in both numerator and denominator, so let's cancel these two x's, then we get 3x minus 2. This is the final solution for first problem. Next, second problem, 5a cube b minus 7ab cube divided by ab. Solution for this problem is 5a cube b minus 7ab cube by ab. So here also in numerator both terms we have ab common, then we can take ab common from these two terms, then we get 5a square, here 5a square, b is common, next minus 7b square by ab. Let's see the multiplication of this. 5a into a square, a cube, b, minus 7a, b into b square, b cube. Then we can cancel these ab in numerator and denominator, then we have 5a square minus 7b square. This is our solution. Next problem, third one, 25x power 5 minus 15x power 4 divided by 5x cube. Solution for this problem is 25x power 5 minus 15x power 4 by 5x cube. To get easy way to cancel, we can take 5x cube common from these two terms in numerator, then we get 5 5 is 25, 5 x cube we take common, then we have x square here, minus 5 3 is 15, 3 x cube we take common, then we have x divided by 5x cube. So here 5x cube, 5x cube, we can cancel these two 5x cube, then we get 5x square minus 3x. This is our final solution for third problem. Next, fourth problem, 4l power 5 minus 6l power 4 plus 8l cube divided by 2l square. Solution for this problem is 4l power 5 minus 6l power 4 plus 8l cube divided by 2l square. From numerator we can take 2l square common, then we get 2 2 is 4, l square common, then we get l cube, minus 2 3 is 6, l square, plus 2 4 is 8, l divided by 2l square. In numerator and denominator we can cancel 2l square, then we get 2l cube minus 3l square plus 4l. This is our final solution. Next problem, fifth one, 15a cube b square c square minus a square b cube c square plus a square b square c cube divided by 3ac. Solution for this problem is 15 into a cube b square c square minus a square b cube c square plus a square b square c cube divided by 3abc. Here we can take abc common from these three terms. So 15abc, then we have a square bc minus a b square c plus a b c square divided by 3abc. So here abc cancel, 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. So the final solution is 5 into a square bc minus ab square c plus abc square. This is our final solution for problem 5. Next, sixth problem, 3pq minus 9p square q minus 6pq square divided by minus 3p. Solution for this problem is 3p cube minus 9p square cube minus 6pq square divided by minus 3p. So here we can take minus 3p common from numerator. Then we get, here minus is common, then we have minus into minus plus. 3p is common, then we get p square. Here minus is common, then we get plus into minus. 3 3s are 9, 1p is outside, then we get 1p inside pq. Here minus is common, then we get plus. 3 2s are 6, 1p is out, then we get q square divided by minus 3p. So here minus 3p in numerator and denominator we can cancel minus 3p. Then we get minus p square plus 3pq plus 2q square. We can write this as 2q square plus 3pq minus p square. This is our final solution. So our last problem, bit number 2 is 7th one. 2 by 3 a square b square c square plus 4 by 3 ab square c square divided by 1 by 2 abc. Solution for this problem is 2 by 3 a square b square c square plus 4 by 3 a b square c square divided by 1 by 2 abc. Firstly, we can take abc common from these two terms, then we get abc common. 2 by 3 abc plus 4 by 3 bc. Here in denominator 1 by 2 abc. Here numerator abc, denominator abc cancel. Then we get 2 by 3 abc plus 4 by 3 bc divided by 1 by 2. From numerator now 2 by 3 is common. 2 by 3 is common. Then we get abc plus 2 2s are 4 to bc divided by 1 by 2. If we take this 1 by 2 in above side, then we get 2 by 3 into 2 by 1 into abc plus 2bc. Here 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. into ABC plus 2BC. So this is our final solution for problem 7. If you like, try these problems as I explained in this video. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.